So what are the different categories of matrices used to monitor such applications?
So they generally, I would classify metrics in three categories. I mean, there are more, but I would just broadly classify them into three categories. The first and most important one, I think, are operational metrics. Is my service healthy? Are the microservices that comprise my service healthy? Is everything interacting the way it should be? So that'll be the first metrics, and they're generally real time. You want to know that second when something breaks. So you want to build operational metrics that way. Operational metrics could be things that you could just sort of figure out by just looking at your application's health or where you deployed the application, or it could be some instrumentation that you put inside of your code that is emitting those metrics. So that'll be the first, and I would say the most important class of metrics that you have. You also have business metrics. Business metrics are the ones that are not necessarily real time, but they help you define if your service is offering the value that you intended it to offer. So just because it's running doesn't mean actually people are able to use it and it's delivering the value that you expect it to. Those metrics don't need to be generally are not real time. Sometimes they can be, but they're not necessarily real time. And you would look at trends and days and weeks to figure out if you're really delivering the value that you are delivering. And a third class of metrics, which are also semi-real time, if not completely real time, are performance metrics. Your service might be healthy and it is delivering the value that you want, but it's loading very slowly. So the load time of your application is very slow. Or it might actually be taking too long to do a TCP handshake with the server on the cloud. Those kind of application metrics now are completely, they used to be part of the operational metrics, but they have now become generally a part of a separate set of metrics called application performance metrics.